jungle adventure ride.
He's our supervisor.
Like jungle cruise at Disney World.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, welcome aboard the world famous jungle cruise.
Yep.
That's right, we are famous around the world for being. Well,
This is a pretty cool place, though.
My name is Brian. I'm going to be a skipper.
Look how foggy it is.
Your snake charmer. Your gorilla wrestler. And if you forget to laugh at my jokes, I'm probably going to be a swimming instructor.
Hold on, yeah, that's way too soon there.
It's a joke, guys, because I don't know how to swim. Good luck. We start our journey on the Amazon, specifically in the Amazon rainforest. So many beautiful sights and sounds, but my favorite is over here on the left. Tell me, have you ever seen anything quite as enchanting as Inspiration Falls? Take it in. Now, you may be wondering why we call it Inspiration Falls, and I'll tell you. If you stare at it long enough, it's probably going to inspire you to go. Yeah, that's my #1 joke. Everybody say, ooh. Everybody say, ah. See, you sound inspired already. So we're going to keep going. As we continue further, we find ourselves on the mighty Congo River in the deepest, darkest heart of Africa. We're going to see just how far we can go. But boy, do I have a treat for you. Look at this. It's the Jungle Book. I know we've spared no expense.
And
the natives are quite excited to have you. They're throwing you a party for the ages. Let's turn around and say, oh, no. It looks like your party's been canceled.
No.
Yeah, I don't see anybody. Canoe? I wonder what happened. Something must have frightened them away. Something like a giant python. Oh, my goodness. Look at the size of that snake. Now, don't you worry. He is quite friendly. Yes, I understand. If you get to know him a little bit better, he might develop quite the crush on you. Yeah, sounds kind of smothering to me. We're going to get on out of here. I've got some snake repellent over here in my hand. Oh, no. What kind of monkey business is this? I mean, come on. This is bananas. Not very appealing at all. We better split while we can. Look at what they did to my Jeep. I mean, come on. They left the lights on. I'm going to have to call AAA. Unless they have a monkey wrench. That might help. Oh, well, that's adventure for you. We're going to continue on down the great and mighty Nile River now. The Nile, of course, is the longest river in all of the world. You could say it goes on for Niles and Niles and Niles and Niles. And if you don't believe me, clearly you're in denial. Disbelief. I appreciate your confidence, though. So close. What's going on? Yes, we heard you. You want to do a big trick? All right, don't be nervous. He's going to do his trick. He's well trained. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, stay! Stay! Good boy, guy. Good boy. Look at him.
Sorry, I
Put his
was
nail to the
focusing
ground.
on the giraffe.
He's been training for 45 years for that. What do we have up here? Lots of great wildlife. Now, I haven't studied. Let's see what I can remember. Up here in the front, I think that's some kind of goat. And then the long-necked cheetah. Sure. 67 impala. That can't be right. Well, over here, look, I know this one. Look, the sweetest pride of lines you've ever seen. Look at how sweetly they're watching that zebra sleep. I mean, he must be dead tired. Dead tired. We better get out of here. We're going to let him rest in peace. What's going on over here? Well, this is a little bit more uplifting. What a precarious situation they found themselves in. Now, I did warn them. I said, fellas, come on. You're never going to outrun the African rhino on foot. But hey, what do rhino? Joke's on them. They'll get the point in the end. Oh, crickets.
Nothing.
Every time.
This is a longish ride. This is 4 minutes.
But you want an adventure, and thrills and spills. What is more thrilling or spilling than a waterfall? That's right, dead ahead, world famous Schweitzer Falls. Named after our founder and famed explorer, Dr. Albert, I don't know, Falls or something. Never met the guy. Now there is a fork in the river. The last time I went to the left, I came back with a very empty boat. Now we're going to try and go to the right this time. Everyone batten down the hatches, prepare yourselves, and lead to the right. Lead to the right, everybody. It's going to be close. Hold on in the back. Shift all your cargo to the starboard side. Oh, look at the sky. Hold on back there, my friends. Oh, there's another boat over there. Look at this.
Scared that my phone was going to get completely
Scared for the
drugged.
poor little lives. Now, a lot of people say, Skipper Brian, how did you land your job here in the jungle? Well, it's plain to see.
Yeah,
I took a crash course. That's right. At this point, I'm just, I don't know, winging it. You could say my career never took off. Oh, no. Hippos? Why did it have to be hippos? All right, friends, this is quite dangerous territory. The hippo has been known to take down our boats before. If that makes you nervous, just do what I do. Make sure they're not wearing any pants. Look, they're all hippo bottomless. Still, if they charge at us, we're in trouble because we only accept
All right,
cash.
Mom. How was that funny?
Look at them. A bunch of hungry
I know.
animals. You're trying. You're doing it. We're going to continue on, but things are not getting any better. We find ourselves now in headhunter territory. This, of course, is a terrible place to be headed. I know. Look at this dance the natives are doing. They're either preparing an ambush or they lost the keys to the bathroom. Well, you love this song, though. It's stuck in your head. Oh my goodness. What's going on over there? Excuse me. Hello. Hello. We're giving a tour here. And a trivia night that's not going well.
My phone got good
Now don't
audio.
worry, this is not an ambush. These are friends of mine, the local acting troupe. They're just out here practicing their Shakespeare. To throw or not to throw, that is the question. 'Tis nobler to die by the... Oh, sorry. Sometimes I just like to Hamlet it up. But yes, this is it. The moment you wait for. Ladies and gentlemen, the eighth woman of the world. The stunning, the spectacular, the backside of money! Backside of water.
My phone's a little wet, but it's not too horrible, luckily.
Your chemistry jokes periodically.
Okay.
In fact, I've got some about oxygen and potassium, but they're just okay. Up ahead, on the Mekong River, a forbidden temple from the time of the Khmer Empire. Now, I believe they worship someone named Shirley here. This must be Shirley's temple. Now, there could be treasure in here, but danger lurks around every corner. As a matter of fact, this could be quite the painful experience. But this appears to be a root canal. Good luck, everybody.
Okay, this is pretty spooky, I'm not gonna lie. Oh boy. Daughter's in the splash on. Oh, sorry. Oh no, spooky tiger. Spoopy snakes. Spoopy face. Just kidding, that was me. But yeah, let's turn this off so you guys can actually be surprised. It's not as vivid on camera. That's only because it's 5 megapixels. But the images at least look decent. I see the light.
And that's not the only thing we've discovered. It seems we've stumbled upon the bathing pool of the Indian
Cool.
elephant.
Oh no, is it gonna spray it?
Delightful.
Aww.
Now, if you want to take photos, feel free. They're all decent. Trust me, they've all got trunks on. I will warn you, they have been known to spray the boat before. You might think it's water, but trust me, it's not.
Oh, I get it.
Look at her in the shower. She's all wrinkled. Same thing happens to me if I stay too long in the shower. I turn into an elephant.
Alright, I'd actually...
Just kidding. I don't get to take showers out here. No. That wasn't a request. I'm good. I had a shower sometime in the last 3 months. No. Please. No, the people on board. Oh, come on. Have a heart.
Oh!
All right, we're going to get out of here. We have one final stop to make up here with the photo. No. Duck! Goose. Oh, you should have seen your faces. Make sure you stay seated, my friend. Who knows what else is going to happen out here. Oh, what a lovely journey. At this point, I do like to show off some of my favorite plants.
Wow.
The green one is my favorite.
Which one?
I think you got the joke. Over here on the left, my good friend and yours, his name is Trader Sam. Everybody say hi, Sam.
Hi, Sam.
Now, Trader Sam is our head salesman here in the jungle. Unfortunately, his sales have been shrinking. So he does have a bargain. 2 of his heads for 1 of yours. It's a great deal. No matter which way you cut it, you're going to come out ahead. All right, friends, as we return to civilization, make sure you stay seated for me, keeping your hands, arms, legs, and feet inside the boat. Especially watch your elbows over here. We can't afford to dip the knot. Now, out of all the crews I've ever had on this boat, I have to tell you, you've most certainly been one of them. I'm just kidding. You guys have been truly outstanding today. But right now, I'm going to need you to be truly outstanding. On that dock. Oh, yes, everybody stand up. We survived the what an adventure. Everybody stand up. It's going to look like a standing ovation.
So I built this like way to should I show who the narrator was?
Sure, to say Skip O'Brien.
Sure.
I'd appreciate it.
This is the narrator.
Hi, I'm Skip O'Brien. I don't know what a YouTube is. It's 1938, but
Okay.
Have fun, my friends. Oh, don't crawl over the grate.
This is going to be the end of the video. Sorry it's so long. Bye.